In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website design process. Whether you're setting up your site for the first time or making some tweaks to an existing one, this guide will help you make the most of the Wix platform. Let's begin by heading over to manage.wix.com. This will take you to your site's dashboard, which acts like a control center for all your website management needs. Here, you can modify basic settings, manage site updates, and track website traffic. It's a great place to keep tabs on everything. Now, if you're ready to dive into the creative aspect, go ahead and click on Design Site. This action will transition you into the more visual stage of your website's development. The Design Site option allows you to change the look and feel of your site, ensuring it aligns with the vision you have in mind. Once you are in the design editor, you'll notice various tools and options on your screen. Here's where things get exciting. Locate and click on the Add Elements button. Adding elements is the foundation of your site building process. It encompasses everything from text and images to more interactive components such as videos and menus. This toolbox lets you customize your site's layout in a way that reflects your personal style or brand identity. After exploring the elements, you might want to highlight specific parts of your website with buttons or call to action elements. Click on the Featured button to incorporate prominent buttons which can guide your visitors to take specific actions, like subscribing to a newsletter or purchasing a product. Next up, hit the Settings option. The Settings menu is crucial because it offers more in-depth customization features, allowing you to adjust how elements behave or interact when clients use your site. Furthermore, settings can help you ensure your website remains user-friendly and accessible. Now, when you're setting up a section that involves uploading media or documents, you'll want to type in Upload File into the Settings menu. This search will direct you to options that allow you to handle different files, from documents to videos, thereby enhancing the multimedia aspect of your site. Once you've played around and added everything you need, it might start feeling a little cluttered. So, remember to tidy up by clicking on the X to close any open panels or unnecessary elements you decided to test out but don't want on your final layout. Finally, it's crucial to save your work. Click on Save before exiting the editor. This action ensures that all the creative work you just completed isn't lost and can easily be revisited or published when you're ready. Saving regularly is a great habit that can prevent any potential mishaps. This journey from setup to save ensures your website not only looks fantastic, but also functions smoothly. Explore, experiment, and enjoy the creative process as you craft a site that's uniquely you.